Our nation's schools are entrusted to provide a safe and healthy learning environment for approximately 55 million elementary and secondary students each school day. A high-quality, all-hazard School Emergency Operations Plan, EOP, will help schools and school districts to keep students safe from threats and hazards. For school administrators and emergency management personnel, creating a comprehensive school EOP may seem like a challenging task. To help simplify the EOP development process, the REMS TA Center has created EOP Assist, a free software application which helps users create and revise their school EOPs based on the latest federal guidance on school emergency management planning. This user-friendly application walks school and district emergency management personnel through the 6-step planning process for creating a customized school EOP, as recommended in the Guide for Developing High-Quality School Emergency Operations Plans, a joint guidance document that was released by 6 federal agencies. EOP Assist generates a comprehensive school EOP exported to Microsoft Word, provides users with helpful resources to support emergency operations planning, facilitates collaboration among school planning team members, allows users to revise the EOP, includes a calendar feature for scheduling EOP meetings, reviews, or deadlines. EOP Assist also includes the following management functions: providing district personnel with the ability to input plan information for each school, allowing district personnel to view EOPs from individual schools, and offering state personnel with that option as well through the 2-door EOP sharing feature, and allowing personnel with administrator privileges to manage user access at the school, district, and state levels. EOP Assist is a secure, server-based application that is installed locally on state, school district, or school servers. Install EOP Assist today to start developing or revising your EOP.